What's up guys, this is TechRealm and welcome to my first video. Today I'm going to show you some ways that you can speed up your Android device without installing any software or overclocking the device. So before we can start, we have to enable the developer options. So you pull down the notification shade and tap on the gear icon to open the settings. Go to About Phone and scroll down to Build Number and tap that 7 times to enable the developer options. So once they have been activated, you'll see a new tab called Developer Options. Open that, and this is where we're going to change the settings for a more snappier experience. So you scroll down into the drawing section. So there should be 3 options that we're going to change: the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animated duration scale. So by default, all these values are set to times 1, which gives you this not so quick but still sluggish experience. So as you can see, if I were to increase these values, the animation would be really slow. You can see that. It's going to take years if you set it to this value. So obviously by decreasing the value, it will make the device snappier. So here, as you can see, the only option I have is to either turn the animations off or have them to 0.5 times. So if I turn them off, they don't look the best. It looks really ugly. So as you can see, no animation at all. But 0.5 still shortens the animation duration, but it doesn't make it look ugly. Some phones will have an option for 0.75, so you can change it to that if you want. So once that's been changed, the other setting is also in the developer options, and here it is. So this is for devices which are slightly lower end, and as the name suggests, it limits the amount of background processes that can take place. So as you can see, standard limit is basically unlimited. Because Android is a multitasking operating system, unlimited number of apps can take place in the background until the RAM runs out or the apps begin to crash. So by default it's set to standard limit, but no background processes means that only one app can run at once. If I were to open another app, say the Play Store, like this, then the second I go back to settings, everything refreshes, which shows that it was killed in the background. Only one app can take place at once. So one process is when 2 apps can run. Only one app can run in the background, so only these 2 will be allowed to run in the background. Whereas if I open up something like the clock, and then I go back to settings, it'll also refresh because it was killed in the background. So don't set it to 1 or 2, because that is just inconvenient. But 3 or 4 for lower end devices with not much RAM is really good, because not many people that I know of use more than 3 or 4 tasks at once. So 3 or 4 processes means 4 processes in the background plus 1 that is currently running will be allowed to run. Any more and the latest running app will be reloaded. So guys, that was it. I hope this helped you, and please like and comment and suggest how I can improve this channel and the videos on it. Thanks, bye.